Hi everyone. Today we are going to have a quick introduction and know-how about the PLC training kit and mechanism kit, right? So about the PLC training kit, there are two entities actually to it. So Arun will give a quick brief on the PLC and the HMI section. Arun, please.
So this is the PLC kit. This is SMPS, switched mode power supply. This is used to convert 230 volt AC into 24 volt DC. Then this is PLC, Rockwell PLC. Then DIDOs are embedded in it. This is analog input, analog output, and this is Ethernet switch to communicate different devices. This is Hilshire gateway. This gateway collects data from PLC and sends that data to different platforms on other protocols. This is IO-Link master, which collects data from different sensors, smart sensors. So difference between a normal sensor and a smart sensor is that a normal sensor only gives 24 volt DC, but a smart sensor gives other data also, like health status or if there is any error in that sensor. Then this is NUC. This is a kind of CPU or a system in which all the softwares are installed for programming and other use. Then this is the second SMPS. So this SMPS is used to give power supply to different devices which are connected on this mechanism kit. So now Rajesh will explain about this mechanism.
Thank you so much, Arun. And I will also need some help in between. So, firstly, you see there is a stationary platform and there is a rotary platform in between. So each of these rotary platforms actually refers to some kind of stations. Say for example, this is an AIDC station wherein you can see there is an RFID sensor mounted on it, and which is tracking what kind of actually data is particularly stored in this RFID tag and this particular workpiece, right? And each of these workpiece, if you carefully observe, you will find that there are some proximity sensors which sense the presence of these at this particular station. So the other three stations you can see is, one is ultrasonic sensor, the other one is normal vision camera, and the other one is a solenoid, electrical solenoid, right? And here you can see the rotary platform is actually driven by a servo motor, and this is the drive, and you can see the servo motor. I hope that's visible. The visible part, actually this is the coupling, but down below you can see that that's the servo motor, and there are some other accessories like SMPS and relays, MCBs, terminals used for actuating the peripherals of this mechanism kit. So over to you, Arun.
So the programming of this kit is done in this PLC kit, and all the parameters can be monitored on this HMI. So a screen can be made on this HMI to visualize the parameters of this mechanism kit.